Hey guys, welcome to the Canadian Cook. I am your host, Garrett. Today we're going to be making cottage cheese protein shakes to die for. And that contains 42 grams of protein and 303 calories. Now, that's good. Now before we begin this recipe today, can I get you guys to do me a favor and hit like and subscribe on my channel? I'm trying to build up my following, and it gives you guys the latest updates and all my latest recipes that will be coming out. So what we're going to need today for the following is we're going to need half cup, which I've already measured out, half cup of cottage cheese. We're going to put it right here, cottage cheese in there. Then we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of ice cubes. I'm going to pour them in here, which I've already measured out. We are going to need half cup of strawberries. Again, I've measured this out already. And we are going to need 1 cup of skim milk, which I will measure this out right now. One cup of skim milk. We'll need 1 scoop of protein. I'm just using this pure protein. I got it off Amazon. If you want, I can put a link to it in the description in case any of you are interested. I'm not affiliated with them, but just in case you want to use the same stuff I'm using to get the same macros. Okay, so there's 1 scoop. For the final, we want a tablespoon of honey. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball this. Pretty much know how much a tablespoon is. There we go. Now we got all that together. Thing on here. What I usually like to do is just to kind of give it a quick shake, just to kind of mix things around a little bit here. And then we're going to put it in the blender, and we're going to let it run. Okay, we got it all blended. Now, one thing to note too, if you find it is too thin, the best way, if you want a thicker shake, which personally I think this is perfect consistency here, but you might like it thicker. So if you do like it thicker, what you can do is add a little bit more ice cubes to it, and that will thicken it up. So you just put a few more in there, put it back on, and let it run. But myself, I personally think this is the best consistency. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's pretty smooth. It's not runny. Let's give it a try. That's really good. And I've drank a lot of protein shakes in my day. Actually, I'll admit this is the first time I've ever done a protein shake using cottage cheese. I never used cottage cheese in the past. I used to always use Greek yogurt. And somebody told me to try cottage cheese, and I'll tell you, I'm not going back to Greek yogurt. This is way better. Way better. So, if you like this recipe, again, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.